the woods. Let's see the dark hair. For the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Color in the hair with its eye. He sleeps with the day. He sleeps with the night. The courage howls, and the night sounds grow, but the bear snores on. The itty mouse with a tiptoe, he grows in the can with a fluff cold snow. Well, squeaks, zoo, zoo. That's a funny word. So he lights wee brown crispy twigs and crazy sticks from the orange hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stir. But the bear snores. Oh. Two glowing eyes. Sneak again the mouse cried, "Who's there?" And the hair I said. Long time no see. So he popped white corn and the root. Mouse sips whistlers. He burps, big burp. But the bear snores. Oh. That just got his by. Sniffs in the air. I smell some yums. Perhaps you can share. I will put honey nuts. Badger says with a grin. Let's stiffen it up. Cozy down. Dig it. And they nibble and munch with the crunch. But the bear snores on. The gopher and the mole tunnel over the floor. And Red and Blue run into the door. Mole mothers for the night on this turn. Takes his friend. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. And they tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In the cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps with the party in his favorite old lair. Mouse stalks the fire. Mouse season's going to eat the yummy, tasty rice and stew. But so the pepper flake makes a bear run. And he blows and he sneezes. A whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. And he knows and he says. And he roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Wants to knock in the land and have room by me. Anything I have none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. But the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks. Don't fuss. Don't frisk. Don't fuss. You can pop more corn. You can brew more tea. Bear gulps. Bear gobbles. Yes, with delight. He signs with delight. He signs with delight. The spirit told tales through the blustery night. For the when the sun peaks up on the really crisp, clear dawn. But Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore. The end. You can read